A surge in jet fuel prices driven by the US-Israeli war on Iran has upended the global aviation industry. It's forced airlines to raise fares and revise their financial outlooks. With jet fuel shortages expected, how will travel be disrupted this summer? Continued restrictions on trade through the Strait of Hormuz plays a big part. It carried about 20% of daily global oil supplies until the war began on February 28th. Jet fuel prices have soared from a range of $85 to $90 per barrel up to between $150 to $200 per barrel in recent weeks. While US President Donald Trump extended a ceasefire, Iran and the US are still restricting transit of ships through the strait.
We still need to then deal with the
Global tourism and aviation expert Anita Mendarata told Reuters supply constraints will take time to unwind.
the supply chains that need to be reactivated once the strait is opened up again, and then again moving through the refining and distribution of jet fuel to get to international airports and into the airlines. So this is going to take us without question into the summer.
Mendarata said that European airlines could feel the hit soon. German company Lufthansa Group has already said 20,000 short-haul flights would be removed from its schedule through October. Europe's largest tour operator TUI cut its underlying operating profit forecast and suspended its revenue guidance, citing uncertainty. Airlines EasyJet and Wizz Air have also warned of the negative impact of the conflict. Mendarata says airlines won't want to cancel flights, but they will have to decide whether to send jets into regions where refueling may be too expensive.
So they're looking at it from that perspective as wisely as possible, and then redeploying their schedules to be able to marry to demand and yet recognize the importance of jet fuel supply.
A European Union spokesperson told Reuters the EU is prepared to coordinate a release of jet fuel stocks if disruption persists. Even after military action ends, the jet fuel shortages and travel confidence will not be fixed immediately.
Because even if everything is fine from the point of view of supply chains, airlines are able to absorb back the jet fuel they require. Are travelers confident going back to those original travel routes? So it is going to take some time.